Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ayu Ainun Hayati. I will discuss a topic about global food crisis, the problems and solution, and the step to deal with the crisis. Local food diversity movement combined as one way to deal with the crisis. The global food crisis occurs this time. The food supply cannot meet the sizable demand. As a result, food prices skyrocketed, making it difficult for people to put food on the table. The current situation is worrying. Supply chain bottleneck and high transportation costs are magnified by the Russian-Ukraine war. These concerns are supported by a warning issued on Friday, 10 June 2022 by the Food Agriculture Organization of the United Nations that fighting in Ukraine called from another 11 to 19 million bargains. Then there is the natural tendency of industry hit by food short to stockpile too much. As a result, they may have a food crisis in the near future. The global food crisis happened here. In times of volatility, business operation in the affected industries have a natural reaction to increasing to safety stock of scarce goods. Global food supply chains are stressed and affected by weather, droughts, extreme heat, flood, tornadoes, and hurricanes. Food growth problems such as bird flu, bacteria, and COVID-19 disease, as well as Russia invasion of Ukraine, high cost of energy, fertilizer, and pesticide are also part of the trigger for this food crisis. This problem make it very difficult for food producers to grow crops and animal and produce product to ensure a stable global food supply. The immediate solution is to manage food stock effectively. The US food retail sector alone generates 18 billion per year in loss to overstocking and spoilage, with more than 8 million tons of foods per year. When food security is in question, it is the responsibility of business to optimize inventories to deal with further food crisis. We are seeing more organizations implementing technology that is working to complete eliminate excess stock to feed those in need. Then there the short-term solution of shipping operator working with the United Nations to ship supplies of wheat and corn from Ukraine's port, a heroic task. There are several ways to deal with the global food crisis, namely 1. Production practice. Organic and agroecological strategies should be priorities over highly developed agricultural practice. This form of agriculture use far less fertilizer, which is not only bad for biodiversity but also produce high emission. 2. Supply chains. A large amount of food needed for any area of the city, while food mills are problematic as differentiator for creating greenhouse gases. Shorter supply may be more amenable to electric vehicle transportation over long distance and therefore ultimately to renewable energy use. Thus, it should aim to obtain their food from the surrounding area rather than globally within the city area. It is also possible to use words recycling with more robust carbon cycle and also biochemical for plants such as phosphorus and nitrogen, because phosphorus is essential and cannot be used temporarily in the cycle. Nitrogen fertilizer production requires a large input of energy. This is a very useful. 3. The future protein search. Farming insect and jellyfish are just a few examples of the innovative suggestions that have been made through protein search over meat and soy. An example. This will reduce level of animal protein globally and increase the level in much of the global south. For public policy that develop new farmer, regional market and supply chain development would perhaps prioritize the development of appropriate technologies at smaller scale and price, including robot, sustainable energy production, and research to obtain external input while maintaining high productivity needed to help encourage their development. And then, food was although food is lost across supply chains, it is estimated that the large loss will occur at the consumer level in the global north. In addition, a large number of wasted products don't meet retail cosmetic standards. All this energy for food production, transportation, and processing is also waste. This modern waste culture must be addressed. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time, guys.